Hi everyone, hope you're well, hope you're surviving lockdown Mark 2. This is David Kemp here of DRK Planning, and this is just to also bring to your attention that next week, that's the Tuesday the 24th and Wednesday the 25th of November, in the afternoons of both days, I'll be running another planning masterclass online. Now we ran this from August, and also ran it in September. We took a break in October. But there's been a lot happening in the planning world since. There's been new permitted developments. There's been changes to prior approval and PD in terms of bringing in daylight and sunlight and making that relevant to applications. And most recently, we've also seen new changes in terms of national space standards. There's also more understanding evolving around the PD rights and how they will work, and also there's been a recent High Court case that's looked into the legality around PD and the use class order changes as well. Now this masterclass is really for developers and for investors, but obviously other professionals are welcome. It's not there to teach you how to become a planning consultant. It's there to guide you through the principles of cost and risk, how to find more opportunities, once you find them, to find more profit in them as well, and to make more returns out of them. And I'll show you some of the insights and some of the tricks and some of the secrets around planning that helps our clients to make more money out of property, and also to get more PD and prior approval schemes through as well. There's also loads of bonus material, including full requirements lists, which you can share with sources and agents, etc., which set out where to look for the best opportunities as well. So I hope you can join me. That's next week. That's on the Tuesday the 24th and Wednesday the 25th of November. The joining link is in the comments below, or in the post here as well. So I hope you can join me. The cost is £575 plus VAT. We're holding this in partnership with Property Investors News. And the course will also take you through all the strategies in relation to planning applications and planning appeals, how to negotiate with officers when you need consultants, which consultants you need, how to deal with pre-apps, what kind of pre-apps, how to deal with planning committee as well. So it takes you right through the whole planning process. And several people who have been through our course so far have already used those strategies successfully in their own schemes as well. So again, hope you can join me. That's next Tuesday the 24th and Wednesday the 25th of November from 2 p.m. till 6 p.m. on each day, and the cost is £575 plus VAT. Go to the joining link in this post or below, and hopefully see you then. Thank you.